Hey, welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I am Kevin. This video is being released on Cinco de Mayo of 2025, and I got to show you what I made for Cinco de Mayo. I had to go with a little Mexican style type food, more New Mexican. I made some Carne Adovada baby back ribs, party ribs. Oh, these are going to be fantastic. They are basically party ribs marinated or braised in a red chili sauce. I'm going to show you how I made all of this right now. All right, for these Carne Adovada baby back ribs, I am going to remove the membrane. And since we're doing Carne Adovada, I am going to put some just jarred red chili sauce on these as a binder. Okay. And then I'm just going to hit them with a little salt, pepper, garlic. That's all I'm going to put on these, salt, pepper, garlic, because these are going to be braised in a red chili sauce. So, all right, these are ready for the grill. I have my Pit Boss Lexington 500 up to 250 degrees, and I'm using the Bear Mountain Maple Bourbon Pecan pellets. It's one of their specialty pellets. Just going to set that on there. Scrunch them up a little bit, and we're going to get some smoke on these for 2 hours. All right, red chili, I'm going to get 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can use lard if you got it. Let that heat up a few minutes, or a little bit. Let's get hot. I'm going to add some flour to it. We're going to make a roux, so that's the start of it. All right, so by the time I washed my little 2 tablespoon measuring cup, oil is hot, and you just want to mix it up and let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Got my fire up kind of high. It's been a couple minutes. You notice the flour's turning a little tan, so I'm going to end up using 2 cups of chicken stock, but just going to add it a little bit at a time. Okay, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. So I like doing this way. I mean, you can roast the peppers and everything, but I like to do stuff easy, quick. Okay, and get that mixed up real well. And then we want to keep adding our chicken stock. Okay, and then I'm going to put a tablespoon of garlic. I like garlic. Now, normally you'll see people putting their garlic and their onion and their roasted peppers in a blender. Well, I use garlic, granulated garlic, tablespoon of onion powder. It's just like putting your onions in there. And I'm going to put a tiny bit of cumin in there. Okay, just an eighth of a teaspoon. And get that all mixed up. And add the rest of your chicken stock, 2 cups total. And this is going to be the braising liquid for our Carne Adovada baby back party ribs, basically. Okay, I'm going to let this simmer for about probably 10 minutes or so. All these clumps of onion powder and garlic will go away. All right, we'll be back. It has been 2 hours. It's time to show you what we're going to do next. So I need to get these off of the pellet grill. Looking pretty good. We got a nice smoke on them. Check that out. All right, let's do the next part. Yeah, I got a beef rib back in there. This next step, I did glove up, a little cotton glove underneath. And here's the baby back rib. I'm going to turn it upside down so I can see the ribs. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to cut the individual ribs off of this baby back. So basically what we're going to end up with is some party ribs. Okay, got them all cut up. As you can see, they are not quite done. So now I'm going to put them into a aluminum pan. Okay, now they got them in the aluminum pan, what I'm going to do is pour that red chili sauce that I just made all over these ribs. Oh, I gotta tell you, I added 1 more tablespoon of red chili. Wasn't quite hot enough for my liking, spicy hot. So now we're gonna get these ribs all down in this braising liquid, basically. I'm gonna throw it back. I'm gonna cover it with foil, put it back on the pit boss, and let it braise for a couple of hours at least. We'll check them in 2 hours, and hopefully we're gonna have some Carne Adovada baby back ribs ready to eat in a couple hours. All right, see you in a couple hours. All right, so I forgot what I was gonna add a little extra flavor to these, and so now I just put them back in and remembered. So if I can get this foil off without tearing it up too bad. It's not too hot yet. For more flavor, I have this orange that I sliced up. This is a cara orange. Boy, are these good. And this is just going to bring some extra added flavor to these, to this chili sauce. Carne Adovada. Carne Adovada. New Mexican style. Cinco de Mayo style. This is releasing on Cinco de Mayo. All right. Foil back on, and I'll see you in a couple hours. All right, it's been about actually an hour and 15 minutes, and since these are cut into party ribs, individual ribs, they don't take quite as long to finish cooking. I just temped them out. Look at that. I just temped them out at 200 degrees. So I'm going to leave the cover off and let them get a little bit more smoke for about 10 more minutes, and then we'll pull them. Okay, these are done. Check these out. Boy, we got to take a taste of these. What do you think of that? Carne Adovada Party Ribs, or Carne Adovada Baby Back Ribs. There's one of them right there. And I'm going to take a taste of it. I know it's going to be fantastic. And like I said, this is for a Cinco de Mayo meal. There you go. Carne Adovada baby back rib, party rib. Wow. Now, Carne Adovada is more of a New Mexican thing, done in New Mexico. It's basically, you know, like I said, braised pork in a red chili sauce. I made it with just the powder. You can make it with the chilies, make it as hot as you want. I ended up putting 3 tablespoons in my red chili sauce to braise these in, and I'm going to tell you, the flavor is outstanding. It's not too hot, just enough spice. These are really good. Oh, we're going to eat these just like this with some rice. But it just so happens that today, Cinco de Mayo 2025, I have so much time on my hands. I'm still employed. And I've got the Man Kitchen Recipes. I've got the What We Thought with Elizabeth. And I'm starting a new channel. I know, right? It is called Tortilla Takeover. Okay, that's actually launching today. Maybe you'll see it, maybe you won't. Go over and check it out. I'll leave a link below. These baby back party ribs, Carne Adovada baby back party ribs, they're good just like this. All right. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Stay safe. Don't drink too much. Like and subscribe. I hope you have a great day, and I hope I see you on the next video.